Hello students, we're going to continue our Tinkercad learning. So go to tinkercad.com/login, sign in with Google, click on Learn, click on the 3D, make sure it says Circuits for this lesson, and we're going to be doing editing components in this lesson. So click on Editing Components. I need to reset mine so that we can learn how to edit the components as you would. So this is Editing Components. Let's learn how to edit components in your circuit. Click Next to get started. So this is basically what we're doing here. So click on the example. It's going to show us that we're going to be turning on these LEDs, and it should remind you of something. Click Next. In the work plane, this is the work plane. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you're using a touchpad, that's going to be 2 fingers swiping up and down. With a regular mouse, it's the mouse wheel. In the work plane, you'll find 3 blue LEDs and 3 resistors. So these are the 3 resistors right here, and the Arduino, which is this blue thing right here. All right, it says instructions. Click on the topmost LED. So I clicked on that, and you're going to see an Edit Properties menu pop up, and it wants us to change the color of the LED to red. So click on that and click red. It says click and change the middle LED to yellow. So click the middle one, click yellow, click and change the bottom to green. So click the green one, or click the blue one and make it green. So it should be red, yellow, green. Okay, click next. And now it wants us to test our circuit. Let's check our traffic light and see if it works as expected. So I'm going to click on Start Simulation, and it does. So it's green, then yellow, then red for a while. That's exactly what yours should do. Click Next. Congratulations, your traffic lights should be blinking. You can also change the color of your wires. So let's try that. So if I click on this wire, it pops up the menu. Try selecting components in this design and see what properties you can change. So with resistors, you can change the amount of resistance. So you can actually change that number, change the type of resistance. And what happens to the brightness in the LEDs when you edit the resistance of the resistor attached to it? Let's actually try that. So I'm going to click on the green one. So this is being fed to the green one. Let's make that 500. Actually, let's make it 1k ohm. So 1k ohm. Let's see what happens. Is it getting less bright? Let's try 5. Stop, start. I don't know if I really see a difference yet. Well, that's why you experiment. In later tutorials, you'll learn how to program this Arduino. This is a microcontroller. We each have one in our kits, and we'll be learning how to program those. So for the lesson submission on this one, I want you to screenshot the entire screen so I can see congratulations, your blinking lights, your little profile picture, and that'll be good enough for credit.